If you're experiencing issues with payments not going through on your N26 account, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Step 1. Check your balance. Ensure that you have sufficient funds in your account to cover the payment. Log into your N26 ABBA website to verify your current balance. Step 2. Verify payment details. Double-check the payment details you entered, including the recipient's account number and any reference information. Make sure there are no typos or errors. Step 3. Review transaction limits. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the s.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Update app and software. Ensure that you are using the latest version of the N26 app. If you are using a mobile device, check for any pending updates for your operating system as well. Step 5. Contact customer support. If the issue persists after following the above steps, reach out to N26 customer support for assistance. They can provide specific guidance and help resolve any underlying issues. By following these steps, you should be able to identify and fix the payment issues with your N26 account. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek help from customer support.